At ReCircled, we've reimagined the way the world deals with waste through a process we call material transformation. We convert carbon-based and organic waste into regenerative fuels, fertilizer, and water. Our system can even destroy harmful pathogens like anthrax and smallpox, and persistent chemicals such as PFAS and glyphosate, neutralizing them at the molecular level. Here's how it works. First, physical waste is processed using our proprietary time, purity, and value process to harvest any materials that are more valuable as is, like precious metals, specific materials, and end-use products. The remaining pieces are sent through a series of grinders and separation systems, reducing particle size and removing any leftover metal, rock, or glass. Any liquid waste like processed fluids, sewage, or wastewater is sent directly to the mix tank. All components are combined in a single mixing system, where our proprietary natural and organic processed liquids are added. This system accepts all waste in a wet mixed stream. Zero material preparation is required for sorting or classifying the feed waste materials. This mixture is then sent to a tank for thermal depolymerization, where it is subjected to subcritical temperatures and pressures to begin breaking down the majority of materials. At this point, any components of mineral fertilizer are removed and sold. The process then moves into a second reaction chamber where the magic begins. The resultant mixture undergoes hydrothermal liquefaction, a process in which water dissociates and begins reacting with all other components in the chamber, oxidizing heavy metals and forming hydrocarbons. It is during this process that anything harmful is neutralized. The resultant mixture then goes through a series of separation to create three distinct outputs: an organic fertilizer concentrate ready for sale, gray water, which meets all COD and BOD compliance guidelines and is one step away from becoming potable, and a fuel mixture. The fuel mixture then enters the cracker, where it's split into regenerative fuel oil, regenerative natural gas, and biochar. In most cases, these fuels are run through appropriately tuned generators and converted into clean electricity. This is material transformation in action, turning waste into energy and impact into progress. At ReCircled, we're not just managing waste, we are redefining what it can become. From discarded materials to regenerative resources, we are closing the loop for companies ready to lead, creating cleaner systems, modern supply chains, and measurable environmental impact for a future designed to outlast waste.